Hello, I'm sharing with you my fridge magnet collections over the years. Well, actually, na-collect ko na lang to nung nasa muwang na ako na I want to keep fridge magnets. Pero, nung mga nasa college pa ako, hindi pa rin ako ganun ka-consistent. But, since primary school, nag-travel na talaga kami na family. So, ito na lang yung mga na-keep ko, nasimulan kong i-keep. But, we've been to the whole part of Luzon, some parts of Visayas, but we haven't been to any part of Mindanao pa. So, yung first, yung Enchanted Kingdom, well, countless times na nagpunta na ako dito with family, friends, anybody. Well, not just, I mean, the close ones. Tapos ito, Mind Museum. 2012 yata ako napunta dito. So, ocular inspection yun ng work for school trip. So, yun. Binili ko na siya agad kasi pag school trip, mahirap nang mamili pagkasama na yung mga bata. Well, UP, very memorable to sa akin kasi nung pumasa ako sa UP dati for graduate studies, benchmark yun ng buhay ko. Bumili ako ng t-shirt, ng magnet na memorabilia ko. Tapos ito, kasi may tatay is from Tadian Mountain Province. Tapos, lagi kaming umuwi doon. Pero nung first time kong na-visit sa Sagada, ito yung binili ko. I think college, I'm not sure if I was still in college or high school nung first time ko sa Sagada. Pero, yun yung binili kong magnet. Tapos bumili rin kami ng t-shirt. Pero we always go back home talaga sa Tadjan. Yun, itong fridge magnet na to, Philippines lang. Pero we have one here sa bahay na yun Pilipino yung nakalagay. Pero, oopsie, nasira yung magnet. Anyway, yung nabinili ko siya, Philippines lang siya. So, it's Philippines. This one is also memorable for me. I went here with Tomer. Dating pa lang kami noon. When I went back from Singapore. And it was fun. You don't have to go to Ilocos na to see the windmills if you want. So there, my sister and I watched the Phantom of the Opera sa Soler. So, yun. Maganda siya. Maganda yung show, but it's not what I expected na kagaya nung sa mga ibang bansa. Pero maganda siya. Sulit naman yung bayad. Manila, Philippines. Ang mahal kong Maynila. Nag-study ako sa Philippine Normal University. So, very next to each other lang talaga yung Manila City Hall at saka yung school ko. So, yan. May special place talaga yung Maynila sa akin. Kasi 4 years ba naman ako doon without summer break. Dati, bago nagpunta sa Oslo, Cebu, yung mga blue whales, mga butanding, nasa Donsol sila nung una. So, we went there to dive and see the blue whales. Blue whales ba yung butanding? I'm not sure. Pero, correct me if I'm wrong, but butanding. Yeah. Sa, pa nun, Donsol pa dati. Ito, Singapore, I can say that it's my second home already kasi 4 years ako dito and dito yung nag-adulthood talaga ako. So, ito yung Singapore, nandiyan yung mga famous landmarks niya. Well, it's actually close to each other pag nagpunta ka dyan. I can still remember how to walk or which train to sakay pagka pupunta ka sa mga places na yan. Well, I went there and worked as a teacher. I remember umuwi ako noon ng balikan pagka sobrang nasistress na ako sa work. I've been to Jurassic Park. I've been to Universal Studios for a few times with family and then with friends and colleagues. So, yun. Yung dati talaga sa Singapore talaga yung benchmark ng life ko. Marami akong discoveries dyan. Anyway, when you buy the fridge magnets, may color coding yun red, green, and blue if I am not mistaken. Nung bumili ako, I bought the green one. Iba-iba sila ng price Tapos, I watched Lion King Singapore alone. It was really fun. Ang ganda-ganda niya. I was like in all smiles the whole show. So yun, sa Marina Bay Sands yung show. And then the next fridge magnet naman is, I got this from Boogies. Ito yung mga places sa Singapore na makikita. I used to live in Jurong East. So, somewhere here, yan, malapit sa mga lugar na yan. And then, I went to, you can see there Jurong Bird Park, yung Orchid Garden. I have been to all of these places. Actually, tapos ito yung Sentosa Island, yung Singapore Zoo. I work somewhere there sa Bukit Timah. Doon. Near siya, somewhere sa, well, it's not really on the north side, but it's somehow quite near there. So yun, ang next na fridge magnet is ang Kidsania. We went there for school trip, then Children's Day. I was a parent of 5 children without parents. Nakasama doon. I can't remember if it's Children's Day or Family Day, but it's something like that. So, bumili rin ako ng fridge magnet. And then this one is during Bird Park. I went there with Iana and Patrick. Kasi dati Teacher's Day, tapos we got the vouchers, parang discount for teachers. So we decided to go and see what's in during Bird Park. Well, hindi kami nag-school trip dito. That's why Iana and I and Patrick went to Jurong Bird Park. Grabe yung Birds of Prey show. Super nakakatakot kasi parang feeling mo anytime pwede kang dagitin ng mga Birds of Prey. They're really huge. Ito naman sa kids stop to. Walking distance lang to sa bahay ko dati sa Jurong East. Malapit siya sa Science Center, sa Jurong East Mall. Grabe, super daming malapit na sa Jurong East. Perfect yung location na yun for me. These magnets naman are from ECTA, free to sa mga teachers. May kasama siyang notepads, pen, notebook. Actually, 4 to but I can't remember where are the 2 others. Kasi nire-represent niya yung 4 races ng Singapore. So there, 2 na lang yung na-keep ko or nauwi ko dito sa Philippines. So there, ito na yung aking mga fridge magnets sa Singapore. Science Center doesn't have a fridge magnet. They only have this fancy keychain na hindi ko ginamit ever. Is also quite expensive for a keychain, pero is worth the price naman. This one, I got this from Singapore Zoo, but syunga yata akong gumamit nung coin press. I chose Sunny, but Sunny is for Jurong Bird Park. But that one is from Singapore Zoo. This Japan keychain naman is from my student. Is not actually I who went to Japan, but one of my students went to Japan and then gave this to me. Actually, maraming students na nagtra-travel abroad, nagbibigay silang keychain, wallet, mga purse, ganon, or food. So, I was able to keep that one. We went to Korea naman, the whole family. We went to Grevin Museum. Para siyang Madame Tussauds na wax museum. Very fancy. Ang ganda niya. It's walking distance lang sa Marriott Hotel na pinagstayan namin. So, very, siya, malapit lang puntahan. That one is from Namdeman. I forgot to tell you. And then, this one is in Indonesia. My friends and I went to Indonesia, to Batam Island to celebrate Chinese New Year. Kasi yung Chinese New Year sa Singapore, long weekend siya. Or maybe 4 to 5 days, depending on your company. So yun, this one is from Vietnam. I haven't been to Vietnam, but my sister, yung pangalawa kong sister, nag-travel siya alone sa Vietnam. So, she bought quite a few stuff for everybody, like keychain, purse, bag, and of course the coffee and nuts. So ito yung binigay niya sa akin. One from Saigon, and then the other one is a keychain. So there, ito namang next, ako naman to, I've been to Malaysia Legoland countless times, like 5 times or what. Because every time we have a visitor in Singapore, gusto nilang mag cross country sa Malaysia. So yun, I'm not sure why the prices are different. The prices are different dun sa girl and boy. I'm not sure kung sabay ko bang binili yan or what. Ito lang yung nabili ko sa Thailand. But we actually stayed in Thailand for a week and wala akong na-keep na magnet, just this one. So yun, ang next is Australia. These are from my students too. I haven't been to Australia. It's a keychain. Ginagamit ko to dati for my home keys. Yan, wala na nga yung ear niya. Isa na lang natira. And then this one is from Boracay. And then this one is not mine. I mean, it's mine, but yung housemate ko dati, yung partner niya taga Canada, and then she gave this Toronto Tower sa akin. So yung Australia and yung from Canada, it's not mine. So yun. Next one is also from my student. Yan, Australia Zoo. Australia is quite famous sa mga students na puntahan ng mga Singaporeans. Yan, Australia, New Zealand. They will be like absent for 2 weeks. Ito naman, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and China mainland. I just put it in one slide. Ito, Kowloon. Well, we did some shopping sa Kowloon when my family and I went to Hong Kong. We stayed in Hong Kong for a week too. And then we went to Disneyland, Kowloon, and I can't remember the exact names of the places, but it was fun shopping sa Hong Kong. So ito, Disneyland. Actually, yung Hong Kong yung first overseas na napuntahan namin na family. So yan, may price pa. I wonder why I'm tearing the prices every time I will buy something. Then this one is from Guangdong. Actually, may pig version nito na keychain din. Pero watch is more social, but I'm not sure where did I keep it. So yan, yung tatay ko nagpupunta siya ng Guangdong para sa business. So he's been there quite a few times. And then every time he will come back, ang pasalubong niya is food. Yung mga nuts, ganun. Masarap yung mga food na inuuwi niya. And tea. Tapos one time nag-uwi siya niyang keychain na doll. Wala pa niyan dito dati. Tapos tininda siya dito naman sa mga ano-ano. Pero that one is from Guangdong. We went to Temple of Heaven. Ito, family na kami napunta sa China. We went to China for 2 weeks. Temple of Heaven, well, you have to prepare yourself to walk pag nasa China ka. But you can see the marvel of their country. Well, there are many people who doesn't like China because of some issues, but politics aside, China is a great country to visit. Marami kang mapupuntahan na magagandang lugar doon. And it will widen your perspective and your knowledge about their country. We went to Shenyang sa Terracotta Warriors, and I met my ex-colleague si Xie. Nag-dinner kami sa Muslim market. So, very fun, memorable talaga. We went to Shanghai Tower. Yan ang second tallest tower sa buong mundo. Yan, grabe ang bilis ng lift nila. Well, pag sumakay ka sa lift, makikita mo yung speed and yung altitude. So, you can stay there as long as you want, but I forgot the price. How much did we pay for the entrance fee? Ito sa Hong Kong din to. Well, nothing special with this, but it's special, but it's just Hong Kong magnet. So, yun. Next one is a Jofen. It's just us 3 sisters who went to Taiwan. It's supposed to be the family with nanay and tatay, but it ended up na kaming tatlo na lang kasi need nilang magstay sa Philippines. But it was extraordinary kasi ano, tatlo lang kaming magkakapatid na nagpunta. So, a first time for us. Mm. And this one is Taipei 101, yung sikat na building kasi matangkad din siya noon pero na-overtake ka na nga siya. When you go to Taiwan, it's actually a very, how to say, masarap yung mga food but there are places na parang old school pa rin yung itsura. And sa Taiwan ako nakainom ng pinakamasarap na milk tea na bubble tea sa Miyahara. But it comes with a price but it's very you can't forget the taste. And ang ganda ng place ng bilihan ng mooncake and other cheesecakes din. Pero meron din silang mga ice cream na tinda. That one is from Rainbow Village. Makikita mo na yun na lang yung natitira dun na spot. And then this one is from Jofen din. Imagine, maglakad ako ng naka-boots. Well, I wasn't able to buy a fridge magnet sa lantern. Anyway, this one is Great Wall of China. You have to ride the cable car before you can really get into the Great Wall of China. You can see na kung paano katibay yung ancient architecture and engineering. And you can see how good the, I don't know how to say the correct terms, but it's very good for, strategy nila panglaban ng mga kalaban. Anyway, that's it. Time is so fast. Well, I hope madagdagan pa sila next time when COVID is, like a common thing already, like a flu, and then people can travel again. Well, thank you for watching. You reached as far as to this stop. Thank you. Have a good night.